Hi everyone, today I'm making a honey mustard chicken tray bake for dinner. I've made this a couple of times, we all love it here, so I just thought I'd share it with you. It's really easy to make, cheap to make and very tasty. You're going to need a big bowl. I use this basin, it's a basin I keep for when I'm making big batches of scones or if I'm making a dish like this. I'm going to make the dressing first, then I'm going to mix my veg and potato and chicken in. So I'm going to start with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons. I'm also using a tablespoon of whole grain mustard. It's just nice with the Dijon. If you don't have it, you can use an extra tablespoon of the Dijon mustard. I've got 2 garlic cloves here, get them in there. Little bit of salt and pepper, and about 3 tablespoons of honey. Perfect. I'm also going to add some lovely dried herbs. I'm using rosemary, you could use thyme either, and there's a couple of others you could use too, and I'll list them in the recipe. So about 1.5 teaspoons. Mix all that together. Smells lovely. Now to add my chicken and my veg. I've got some carrot and parsnip here, about 5 carrots chopped up and 2 parsnips. Red onion, I've cut these nice and chunky and I've got about 2 red onions there. Potatoes, I use baby potatoes and I cut them either in half or in thirds depending on how big they are. You could cut these like Hasselback potatoes either and they'd be lovely too. And now for the chicken thighs. I use the ones with the bone and the skin because you get much better flavour from them. I've got 6 of them. I'm going to get my hands in here and get everything well mixed in, and you want the honey mustard all over your veg and your chicken. It's easier to use your hands for this. You can put any veg into this that you like. You can put in broccoli, cauliflower, peppers. If you want to add peas or any of those softer vegetables, I would add them about 10 minutes from the end of cooking. Otherwise they'll overcook. Great, I'm happy with that. Set it to one side. Get yourself a large tray. I put a little bit of olive oil on this, stop it from sticking. And now get everything in there, and any of the dressing that's left in there, get that in there too. Put all your veg on the bottom and your chicken thighs need to go on the top with the skin side up. All right, I'm happy with that. I want a nice crispy skin on my chicken thighs, so I'm just going to put a little bit of salt on top. And this is ready for the oven now. It's going to go into the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Just check it, and as I said, mix your veg often so that your potatoes and vegetables don't burn. So let's get this into the oven now. Here it is everyone, fully cooked, just took 45 minutes. Doesn't it look wonderful? The smells from this are just gorgeous. You're going to love this, and it's such an easy and tasty dish to make. You can see we've got lots of stock in there, juice from the chicken and the veg. If you fancy a gravy, you could pop that into a saucepan and add in some granules, chicken granules, and you will have the perfect meal there. Try it out. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy.